Hi, I'm Molly, and I'm back again with a fun snack that kids can make or anybody can do, and it'd be a great summer treat after camp snack. We are going to be making a rainbow fruit kebab. And this is really fun because you can add any color fruit that you want. I have red raspberries, orange cantaloupe, yellow pineapple, green kiwi, and then I've got my blueberries. So you could do red, you could do strawberries, you could do grapes, you could do, I almost did oranges for the orange. You could do bananas, kind of yellow on the outside, but more white on the inside. Mango, the sky's the limit. So that's what makes this fun, is you could create your own rainbow on your skewer. So we are going to thread through our red first, orange, yellow. I used canned pineapple. You could use fresh. That's also what would be great with this, is you could do canned or fresh or a combination of both. Whatever's in season, reasonably priced, available. Green, and I cut nice big chunks of kiwi. And then we've got our blue, our big blueberries. Isn't that fun? So I'm gonna just make a few more skewers. Isn't that a fun snack? So be sure to give this one a try. Everybody loves fruit. It's like fruit salad on a stick. Everything's better if you grab it with a toothpick or put it on a skewer and make a kebab. I hope you give this recipe a try and check out our YouTube page for a bunch of our other recipes, and come see me again in the kitchen sometime soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.